What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today is Mask Monday. Yay! Yeah, and we're not actually doing a mask today. We're gonna switch it up, but this is technically Mask Monday. So before I get started, if you're new to my channel, what's up? I'm Jen. Glad to meet you. Glad you could join me. And if you're a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made it back. So, excuse me. Furball, sorry. Anyway, what we're going to do today is a DIY, do-it-yourself body scrub treatment. Body, face, hands, wherever you need. So it's a do-it-yourself kind of thing from home, and it's good for your skin. So I'm going to show you how to do it and make your own cheapy little concoction. It's very affordable. You probably already have the items you need in your home. So you want to keep watching and see how we do this. But also, let me say before we get started, if you are not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? I mean, it's just a button. Click that button, man. Get on the program. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up so I know what you like. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I post. Day-o. Anyway, so let's get started. All you need today is, I'm using this plastic cup just so you can see through it, but you would want to use like a little, like a Tupperware bowl or something that you have a lid, something you can seal. And all you need is regular sugar, any kind of sugar you want. Just this is the kind of sugar I'm using today. And whatever amount you choose to make in advance. And a bottle of baby oil. This is just family wellness from Family Dollar. So any baby oil will work. And what I've done is I've taken and I've put the sugar in this cup. And then I'm just going to take the baby oil and fill up the cup to just so that it covers the sugar, saturates the sugar. You don't want it above the sugar. It's just going to come right to the top of the sugar, just so all the sugar gets well saturated. So I'm going to pop this lid off, if I can get it off. Damn child-proof caps. Anywho, and then I just punched a pinhole in the top of this because you don't need to pour a lot when you do it. You want to kind of take your time. So I'm going to squeeze this in here like so. And like I said, just enough to saturate the sugar completely. Take your time. You could always add more. Just a little drop more. As you see, it's pretty well saturated. You can't see any at the bottom that isn't mist, but I'm just putting a drop more just to make sure it's all good and saturated. Okay. Now it's all mixed in there, as you see. It's nice and covered. And now you're just going to take this and scrub any part of your body that you want to exfoliate. This is a natural, a cheap way and a home do-it-yourself remedy for scrubbing dead skin. So the baby oil moisturizes while the sugar exfoliates. So when you're done using this, on wherever you want to use it. You can use it in the shower and scrub your whole body. You can use it just on your hands when you wash your hands. Like, I know a lot of guys like to use this to exfoliate the dry skin on their hands if they work with their hands, like a mechanic or something. It'll get rid of all that dry skin. Plus, it helps exfoliate, dirt that sets in. So, hence the guys that work with their hands. So then you're going to, and you can use it on your face too. So first we're just going to do this on our face today. So I just take a little clump out and we're just going to use it like you would any other exfoliator. This is a little messy, so you do want to do it over the sink or in the shower or something. As you see, I'm just scrubbing my face. And the good part about this too, since you're exfoliating with the sugar, when it goes down the drain, it's not gonna clog up your drain with anything because the sugar will melt away. So you just do like so. And when you're done exfoliating whatever part you wanted to exfoliate, I'm gonna do my hands as well. Just put it in your hands and make sure you get, you know, everywhere. In between your fingers, just scrub, 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 scrub. And like I said, that baby oil is also softening your skin while you're exfoliating. So you get a twofer. So after you're all done scrub-a-dub-dubbing, then you're going to rinse off what's there and then wash with a mild face wash. I'm going to use my Origins that I usually use on Mask Monday. And since I'm doing this, I am not doing the exfoliating peel because we're scrubbing all the dead skin off right now. Of course, you want to stay away from your eyes because, you know, you don't want to exfoliate your eyeballs. Anyway, I'm going to rinse this off now real quick and then wash up. But if you look, see now my hands look a little greasy, but when I'm all done, they're going to be so super soft. Let me wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all done and my skin looks nice and healthy. It's nice and soft from the baby oil because you don't have a ton of baby oil in it. Like I said, you just want to saturate to the top of the sugar. Quite frankly, it doesn't really matter what kind of sugar you use. You can use brown sugar, white sugar. I'm thinking if you use what is it, the natural sugar, you know, the raw sugar, that might be a little bit more abrasive. So maybe that would be better for your body if that's what route you want to go. I don't know, play with it, play with recipes and see what works for you, and let me know down in the comments if you've tried this before, if it's worked, if you try this if you've never tried it and have now decided to try it, let me know your outcome. And of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. But yeah, let me know if you've tried this or, you know, if you have any stories about it or hacks or anything relating to this. And yeah, so that's it for today, folks. I just wanted to do a quick DIY for Mask Monday, switch it up a little bit because you'd be amazed at how many people don't know about this hack, and it's such a simple one. It'll probably cost you nothing. You probably have all of these ingredients in your home, as I said. So anyway, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, thumbs up if you like it, all that good stuff. And until the next one, guys, I love you and thank you for spending some time with me. I get so excited every day when I see my numbers going up and you guys are coming back more and more, and I love our little happy family that we're building here. So thank you so much for your time. And until the next one, smooch-a-la-roos.